another video. The cock holster were washed before autographing. I get picked on for my own reasons, so to a degree I sympathize with homosexuals and transgendered individuals. Want to sniff it? No. And I'm over here like, can we just stop? If a man can be a cop, so can a woman. If a man can be a firefighter, so can a woman. You see what I'm saying? If a man can deliver mail, god damn it, so can a woman. I gotta take a piss. If men can be rock stars, so can women. Yes. Empower yourselves. Yes. Nobody says shit except look at that stud and his muscles. Fuck your double standards. You objectifying your own gender. But if you're a hot of-age chick with some nice titties and a sexy ass body, oh, trust and belief. You're still paying for it. The only difference is you might not get laid. The only difference is you're not guaranteed to get laid. That's the difference. Kiss my ass. Yes. Legal age. Low as I go. One, you can star on a porno. 2, you can rent porno. 3, watch porno. You just turned legal age. Oh my God, yes. Yeah. This is the kind of power that women with big tits have over society. Usually it's the other way around. You want to fuck her pussy. You want her to fucking ride your cock and get on top of you. But is that pussy good enough that you want to fucking tie it down and marry it? Well,